Alright guys, so I want to repair this nut for the fender that had that broke loose. I just want to hammer that together and so flatten that out there, guys. Alright, so then I'm gonna take the little nut here over to the sandblaster and I'm gonna have to open this up a little bit because it collapsed in on me. If you're going there now, I'm gonna have to open it up a little bit. Oh no, that's the way it go in there, so it'll be fine. All right, so actually guys, what I'm gonna do on the end of these tabs on here, I'm gonna grind both these sides out just a little bit so I can get my weld to fall in between these guys. So I'm gonna open this up on these sides just a little bit. All right, let me come back after I get this thing sandblasted here. All right guys, I got that all sandblasted there. So like I said, this is gonna go in this way here, but I want to open these ends up just a little bit. Alright, so something else guys, before I do this other side, I want to put this up against here. See how it's got a little gap in there now? But before I do this other side, I want to come in and put marks where, so I know exactly where this piece is supposed to line back up at. Alright, so I'm going to just use tape guys. So I'm going to put tape right there guys. I'm going to open this up a little bit more, then I'm going to put tape over here too. Let me open this up just a little bit more. All right. So then, I want to cut this out because this is, I got to make sure that I can get to the metal and not have that tape there. Give me a razor blade. All right, so guys, when I weld this, the rest of this tape is gonna burn off here, but I wanna make sure that when I start my weld, I got good metal that I'm dealing with here, guys. So, all right, so I got to clean this up just a little bit, but now I know this piece is gonna sit right there. So, and then I got a little gap in between each side that I can get a good bead of weld in there, then grind this down. All right. All right, so for my ground, I'm gonna just take a bolt that I got sandblasted, a fender bolt, and I just want to tighten this. Put that in there, and then I can put my ground on there, so I have a ground. Then I'm gonna come in, I gotta get vice grips and tighten this down, and then she'll be ready to weld up. All right, so then I'm gonna bring this in, line it up with the tape line. And I just wanna snap that down in place. Make sure I got it right though. Alright, so that's up against there. Move the tape out, now come in and weld this up. Get the tape off of there. All right, I'm gonna get this other side. Alright, so now guys, right on the end, the weld, this end, I want to cut the welder down some. Let me adjust the welder. Alright, so I cut that welder down, now I can weld in. It's hot guys still. Alright, good enough. Alright guys, she's in there now. Good enough. Alright guys, so I'm gonna come in and grind this down now. Alright guys, so now I got that all welded in there. And then if you look on the back side here, you can tell that the weld came through, so that's really welded in there solid. If you see there, it's welded in solid. See there, you see the beads coming through. So it really connected well, guys. So that piece is in there. And alright, now I'm ready to paint these bad boys.